Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Edlit. I hope you have seen our previous video on the speech sounds and the vowel sounds. Today we're going to do some pronunciation practice of the speech sounds that we've learned. The sound that we're going to practice today is the R sound. Let's take a look. The R sound must be pronounced with our mouths wide open. A lot of people pronounce it with closed mouths like an O, but that's not what we're going for. We're going for open, rounded lips like this. R. Can you try to pronounce it after me? R. So I'm going to give you some few words which have the R sound in it. Please don't hesitate to repeat it with me. Australia. Australia. Object, object. Occupy, occupy. Office, office, office. Wash, wash. Washed out, washed out. Alternative, alternative. Squash, squash. Obligate, obligate. October, October. Mom, mom. Rob, rob. Watch, watch. Boss, stop, stop. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur, entrepreneur. Please do try practicing all these words at your home. Try recording it and listen to yourself to see if you're pronouncing it right. This can be a great exercise which can help you to improve. I hope this video has been informative. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Take care. Love, learn and leave.